Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Chase Business Online for IRS payment tracking step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Chase website. Click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the page. Select Business from the drop-down menu that appears. Enter your Business Online username in the designated field. Type your password in the password field. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Locate the Payments or Transfers section on the dashboard. Click on Payments to view your payment options. To track IRS payments, select Manage Payments from the menu. Find the option for Payment History and click on it. Here, you will see a list of all transactions, including IRS payments. You can filter the transaction date range to find specific payments. If you need to download your transaction history, look for the Download option. Select your preferred file format for the download. Review your downloaded file for IRS payment tracking details. If you encounter any issues, click on the Help section on the website. Follow the prompts for troubleshooting or contact customer support. Log out securely by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Confirm that you are logged out before closing the browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.